why we need to
Ah,
order that one.
okay.
Yeah.
So we need to make an order before you.
Yeah, this one we produce. Yes, yes, yes.
This came from you.
Yeah, for us.
From
We
you.
made this.
You make this.
Yeah, we
Okay.
sold it to them.
Okay.
Ito yung mga ginagamit natin sa pang-spray, Sir Jim. So mini ano, motor, new rewind.
That's the one capacitor.
Yeah, one capacitor on.
Ito yung ano, pang-reducer.
Oo.
Pwede sa pang-kalamansi squeezer.
That's the painting. Yeah. Okay.
So mini motor there. Oh. That's for ano, travel.
How long it will take the order? How long it will produce that? 100 liters.
So mini motor. Ah, different size of motor.
20 days.
Stator only. So many motor. Ala, tambak. Sus. Sus, wala talaga it's Sir Jim. Sus, ang dami Sir Jim. Sir Jim. I'm apply to worker there.
No. You want to work here?
Yeah. I want to work here as a rewinder.
I don't do that here.
This is a rewinding station. Rewinding station, oh.
Do you have stuff like this here right now? We just want to see. You don't have? You don't have?
No have daw.
Yeah, even one piece, so we can see the inside. You don't have? I thought we can see. Okay. We just want to know which
Different
single
size.
pieces natin, ah.
Single piece yung motor natin. Oh, ito. Ang lalaki, oh. Oh, lalaki. Pang elevator na to eh. This is armature. Armature of motor. Hala. Timbuang yung mga motor. Lalaki. Gumagawa rin siguro sila dito ng mga dinamo, Sir Jim. Dinamo. Pang ano na yan, escalator, motor ng escalator, Sir Jim. Yan o, mga motor ng escalator yan. Oh, lalaki ng mga motor. Lalaki. Pang ano yan? Pang,
That's what they are using.
pang elevator. No water pump. Wala, dami.